Respected principal, teachers, and my school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am happy to join you in celebrating the Defense Day, and it's the matter of great pleasure to me that I am addressing to some of the present and future corporate leaders of this country. शहीदों की ज़मी है ये जिसे पाकिस्तान कहते हैं, शहीदों की ज़मी है ये जिसे पाकिस्तान कहते हैं, ये बंजर हो के भी कभी बुज़दिल पैदा नहीं करती. As all of you know that we are celebrating the 53rd Defense Day of Pakistan. Dear fellows, we celebrate this day in the memory of our those beloved and brave soldiers who fought bravely and died in the Indo-Pak War of 1965. But make defense of Lahore and other important cities of Pakistan. शहीदाने वतन के हौसले थे दीद के काबिल, शहीदाने वतन के हौसले थे दीद के काबिल, वहाँ पर शुक्र करते थे जहाँ पर सब्र मुश्किल था. On 6 September at 5 a.m., Indian Army attacked Pakistan from Lahore Barki sector. This 5 weeks war caused thousands of casualties on both sides. It ended in a United Nations mandated ceasefire. Pakistan Army officers like Captain Sarwar Shaheed, Major Muhammad Akram Shaheed, Lance Naik Muhammad Mahfuz Shaheed, Major Tufail Shaheed and Major Raja Aziz Bhatti Shaheed sacrificed their lives and were awarded with Nishan-e-Haidar for their acts of exceptional bravery. All these personalities are our proud.